Hey y'all, this is Project One. This has been years in the making, but it has been a great journey thus far. This right here, a number of pine trees died a few years ago, and at the time I didn't know what I would use them for. I knew I would keep the wood, but here we are, we fast forward, and this will be the entrance slash exit of the trail. And I have been clearing it thus far. So this is the space that you see me walking through now, is the cleared space. So once the trees died, unfortunately, a very bad storm came through and completely wiped through these trees. It was just devastation. So happy that I'm safe and there wasn't any real damage to the property, but needless to say, I had to get all of the debris cleared up, and that's what you see piled up on the side. This is before I scheduled the team to come through, clean this up, and we're going to convert all of this wood into materials for the trail. So when the trees died, it prompted me to start clearing that area for the trail and to use this debris for that. So this is the before. While they're here, I want them to also cut a few trees in this middle flower bed that will be a sitting area with pollinating flowers, which will be really nice. Looking forward to that. But the main concern are getting all of those dead pine trees down, the ones that haven't fallen yet. So here's the before. Shout out to Eastlake Tree Services for all of the wonderful tree work that they have done for me since 2021. This partnership that we have entered has been a wonderful one, and they have done amazing work and will continue to do the work here at Mari's Garden in helping us cultivate this wonderful green space. So thank you so much, Eastlake Tree Services. This is immediately after the tree work had been completed for this portion of the project. I'm estimating that it would be at least a total of 5 projects for this nature trail once it is completed. This is project 1, so 4 projects to go before this nature trail is completed. And this is, I would say, either the entrance or the exit. I would like the nature trail to be wide enough to where it would not matter what side you entered. There would be enough room for multiple people to walk freely. So here we are. Here we go, several weeks later. This is early spring where the foliage from the trees have started to set in very nicely, and now you can really get a glimpse of how the logs have really settled in, and the mulch has created a very nice bedding. This is the space that was left from the logs and trees that were cut down. And here we are. This is the trail. Very beautiful. Here's the end of Project 1. Project 2 will be about creating more of a path to make way for trees to be laid and bedding to be created.